Happy fall! Happy Halloween! Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke. Today I am filming this fall makeup look. It is a orange cranberry kind of tone to it, so I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna call it yet. If you want to learn how to recreate this, keep on watching. Okay, so I already moisturized my face and put on chapstick. I think that's a very important step to do before you do your makeup. I am first going to take my MAC Strobe Cream. This is everything. You have to get this product. It works so good. Your skin just looks so fresh when you use it and glowy. It's a good time. I like to use just a little bit of that, maybe about this size. I'm gonna put this all over my face. After I am finished putting on my strobe cream, then I will go into foundation. This is my favorite foundation. It is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid. Foundation works so well with my skin. I highly recommend it. And for this, I'm just gonna pull my hair out of the way so I don't get any foundation in it, because that tends to happen a lot. Now that my hair is out of my way, I'm just gonna take a beauty blender and blend this all over my face. And now that I have my foundation all blended out, next step I'm gonna go in with concealer. This is the NARS Creamy Radiant. This has been my go-to concealer for years. I use the shade Vanilla. You can use whatever concealer you like, but this one just works the best for me. I'm just gonna place this right under my eyes. This just helps to brighten this area, which I love doing. I think it looks really beautiful. And then I'm going to blend this out back with my beauty blender so I don't look like a clown anymore. And after I am done with that, I'm gonna go in with my Prep and Prime highlighting stick from MAC. This is in the shade Light. Just put a little bit on my forehead, my chin, down the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and then a little bit on the smile lines. I'm gonna blend all of this out. Once you have that all blended, you're gonna wanna go in and set that so it doesn't crease throughout the day. I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier setting powder. I love this one. I find that it sets my makeup really well and it doesn't really crease throughout the day with this. I'm gonna apply this using the same beauty blender that I just used to blend out everything on my face. I find that it works much better doing it this way. Okay, we're done with the look. Beautiful, right? First, I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. The shade I'm going to be using first is this really pretty cranberry color right here. I'm taking my MAC 217 brush to apply this right in the crease. And after I've applied that color, I'm going to go in with a darker cranberry tones one right here. And I'm going to lightly place it in the inner corner of the crease right here. Now I'm going to blend the two colors together with a big fluffy brush. This is my MAC 224. I love this one a lot. I'm just going to blend them together. I'm going to go in with my Morphe 350 palette. I'm going to take this orange shade right here, which is a flat brush, and place this all over the lid. And after I have finished that, I'm going to go in with this orange shade right here. It's kind of like a pumpkin orange, which is great for fall. I'm gonna go back in with my MAC 217 brush and take this darker cranberry color. I'm gonna take that shade and put it on the outer V of my eye. I'm gonna take that and blend it right here, like on this outer part of my crease. For this look, I'm not using eyeliner. I'm going to take a black eyeshadow instead at the edge right here and just really blend that out. This is just from the Naked palette. I'm just going to use this one. It has a really fine tip on it. I'm going to take this little pointy brush right here. This is also from one of the Naked palettes. I'm going to take this shade right here. And I'm going to place this right on the outer corner right here. Now that I am done with eyeshadow, I'm just going to take some powder and just lightly dust it over my face. I'm going to use the Mineralized MAC Skin Finish. Love this one, works really good. I'm going to take a powder brush and lightly put this on my face. And now I'm going to take my favorite bronzer, which is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil I love it, mainly because it smells like chocolate. I want to eat it. I know you probably can't, but I'm going to take my NARS contouring brush. This one works really good. It has a good angle. You can really get in there, carve out those cheekbones. I'd rather be carving a pumpkin though right now. That was a really bad joke. Just forget I said that. I'm going to take it and I'm going to follow my hollows and my cheeks right here. Go right there. I'm going to clean up my contour under my cheekbones with a little bit more of the translucent powder from earlier. I just take one of these little sponges. You could use a brush. I think this works really good. Just get like a nice sharp line underneath. So I'm going to do that real quick. I'm now going in with blush. This one is Desert Rose by MAC. I think this is a beautiful fall color. I'm now going to go ahead and dust this away. Take the Becca Cream highlight in Opal. I'm just going to use my finger. And I'm going to put it on my Cupid's bow. The tip of my nose. A little bit down it. And then in the inner corner of my eye. I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Taupe. And I'm just going to brush them up. Then define right underneath them. Set my brows in place, I'm using my favorite brow gel from Glossier. This is the Boy Brow in the shade Blonde. I am taking this beautiful highlight from Jaclyn Hill, the Champagne Pop. This highlight, stunning. I'm also going to take a little bit of this highlight, put right underneath the brow bone just to lift the brows and give it a nice look. The next step, we're going to be using some mascara. I am out of the big one, so I have to use my little travel one, but this mascara is my A1. I'm going to do this on my top and bottom lashes. And to finish off the look, I am taking my lip liner in Whirl from MAC and my lipstick Yash from MAC. Look how beautiful this shade is. This, beautiful. Perfect, perfect, perfect. This is a beautiful fall shade that I've been wearing a lot recently. Definitely one of my favorites. The look is not complete without the MAC Fix Plus spray. I'm gonna go get dressed and show you guys the finished makeup look with my hair done, with a cool outfit and not my sweats, because you know, I live in Brandy sweats. So this is the finished look. I think I want to add a little bit of my Glossier lip gloss. This is a clear gloss. I love this one. Yeah, that's a look. You may be wondering why. Why are you wearing a sweater, Brooke? Well, let me tell you why I'm wearing a sweater. It's fall. Fall means sweaters. Fall means fashion. But you know what? It's still like 97 degrees outside. So you know what? I'm just going to crank the AC up and call it a day. I will link my social media in the description down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more makeup looks, give this video a thumbs up or comment what you would like to see. I am really been in the mood for filming lately, so let me know. I had to take a snack break, but I'm back. I made pumpkin chocolate chip cookies, and oh my god, I've ate like 10 of them. Why does everybody hate LaCroix? I don't get it. Like, it's like my favorite drink. People who don't like LaCroix are weird. Or maybe I'm the weird one. Yeah, that's probably it. Late night ballin', counting up hundreds by the thousand.